Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adlan Fahmi bin Ahmad Faisal, and today, together with my team, we will talk about Engineering Mathematics topic Chapter 5, Scalar and Vector. So, let's get into it. But first of all, I will introduce you to our team. In our team, we got Adlan Fahmi bin Ahmad Faisal, which is me, Mawadda binti Shahran Syam, and Ambarasan Analaki Arumugam. So, you may wondering, what is scalar and vector quantities? Let's get into the scalar quantities first. Scalar quantities is a physical quantity that only has one magnitude, while vector quantities is also a physical quantities, but it has both magnitude and direction. And let's go into the other slide. So imagine this. In the situation of scalar quantities is person number one said, I want to go to the cafe. It's about 30 meters away. But the question is, where? It can be north, it can be south, it can be west, it can be east. It can be any direction, since the person number one did not mention about the direction. That is a scalar quantities. While in the vector quantities situation is, the person number one said, I want to go to the cafe. It's about 30 meters away in north direction. Now we know where is the location, where is the direction. As you can see, he mentioned two, the magnitude and the direction. I assume you understand it now. Unfortunately, there's actually much more than I mentioned this. This is just the basic of vector and scalar quantities. But it's understandable. So, let's get into the question. So, a farmer wants to put 3 scarecrows around her wheat farm. She has planned to put them in 3 different coordinate points, which is point A, point B, and point C. My task here is to find the scalar product of AB and AC. I really want to explain you about scalar product and vector product, but unfortunately we don't have much time. But in short, scalar product is dot and vector product is cross. Since the question want scalar product of AB and AC, that means AB dot AC. But first we have to get the AB and AC first. AB and AC first. There you go. So let's get into this solution. So as we know, point A is 2, 4 to 6. Point B is 4, 8, 10. And point C is 2, 4, negative 8. Just I mentioned before, we need to find AB first. So that means AO plus OB. I also almost forgot the position is OA, OB, and OC. That is how the position is. So since this is AO, that means it will be negative, which means negative 2, 4 to 6 plus this positive 4, 8, 10. Make a calculation and you will get 2, 4, 4. After get AB, we need to find the AC now. AC is AO plus OC, same as the AB. That means it will be negative 2, 4, 6 plus 2, 4, negative 8, which result into 0, 0, negative 14. And after we get that AB and AC, we can now make the scalar product, which AB dot AC is 2, 4, 4, 0, 0, negative 14. Make a calculation and we get 0, 0 and negative 56. That means the scalar product of AB dot AC is negative 56. And that is all for me. Thank you for watching. The Q&A session is open now.
Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. My name is Mawadda binti Shahran Syam, matrix number 09DAM21F1067, would like to present vector and scalar in engineering. First, let me read the question. AB dot AC equals to magnitude AB, magnitude AC, cos theta. In order to find AB, you have to find AO plus OB. How do you find AO plus OB? AO is negative 3 to 1. Why negative 3 to 1? Because A is actually point A starts from O, which is OA. and OA is 3, 2, 1. But if we were to change the direction in vector, you have to add negative in front of it. So which is why it's negative 3, 2, 1 plus 5, 4, 2 equals to 2, 2, 1. And that is AB. And how do you find AC? It's the same concept with AB, but all you have to do is find AO plus OC. AO is the same method. You have to put negative and then you're good to go. Then you have to find AB dot AC, which is equals to negative 14. What is magnitude AB and magnitude AC? How to find it? Well, use the formula. After getting all the values, all you have to do is just put the values inside the equation and then you will get the answer, which is 131.8 degree. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good morning to Madam and my fellow teammates. Today I'd like to explain a vector question. So diagram show the position of JTO and columns K, L, S and T in the sea. So column L is situated at 400 meter from JTO and the column R is situated from JTO in the direction of OL. Column S is situated 300 meter from JTO and column T is situated from 600 meter from column S in the direction of OS. Columns L, K and T is 5 times is distant from column L. Okay, the question is, if Abu uses a binocular to observe column R from column S, determine whether the column R can be seen without blocked by column K or otherwise. So prove your answer mathematically. Okay, first of all, Abu should calculate the distance of SR. So we need to calculate the distance by using the direction from SO to OR. Therefore, the distance of SO will be negative 2Q plus 6P. Next, we should calculate the distance of SK in the order to determine whether SK and R are straight line. The distance of SK should be calculated by direction of SO to OL to LK. The distance of SO will be negative 2Q. The distance of OL will be 4P and the distance of LK will be 1/6 LT. The distance of LT will be negative P plus 6Q. Furthermore, to justify both SK and SR are straight in line, we should use lambda and use the quadratic equation to find the answer. After solving the question, it is clearly known as that S, K and R are not in straight line. Therefore, Abu can see column R without being blocked by column K. Conclusion: vector is playing an important role in our daily activities without us knowing we do, such as driving, kicking the ball or etc. Moreover, in engineering mechanics, vectors are used to express quantities that have both magnitude and direction. For many engineering problems, vector is an important tool to solve all problems like forces, displacement, velocity and more. In a nutshell, vector is an easy thing to understand and it's more effective method for solving many problems. And thank you.